Today's topic is criminal street gangs, how they're defined in Arizona, and why groups that gather together with the intent to commit felonies may classify as a criminal street gang in Arizona. My name is Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with As Cops in Arizona. Here, if a group of people work together to either commit, facilitate, or solicit felony acts, they can be charged with participating in a criminal syndicate. If this group of people includes at least one individual who's a criminal street gang member, this group of people can face enhanced penalties under the criminal street gang statute. A criminal street gang member is defined as an individual to whom at least two of the following 7 criteria apply. 1, self-proclamation, if the person admits to being part of a specific gang. 2, witness testimony or an official statement saying that a person is part of a specific gang. 3, written or electronic correspondence that shows that the individual associates with a specific gang. 4, paraphernalia or photographs showing that an individual associates with a specific gang. 5, tattoos with a known association to a specific gang. 6, clothing or colors that are associated with a specific gang. And 7, any other indicia of street gang membership. Now that you know these criteria, let's discuss a scenario that may exist. Let's say there's a group of individuals who give themselves a specific name. These individuals make a plan to cause a civil disturbance in a downtown area. These individuals bring smoke bombs and yell threats towards others. They talk about throwing things at police officers, including smoke bombs, an act that constitutes a felony, aggravated assault. Let's also assume that there is evidence that these individuals plan to create additional civil disturbance and resist arrest using violence, an act constituting riot, which I'll discuss more later. Let's say these individuals identify as members of a specific group, all wear the same type of clothes, come prepared with umbrellas and other items to resist arrest, and plan for this illegal activity through the use of online messages. Members of the group also post photographs together and may include captions encouraging criminal activity. Some of these individuals even have tattoos of the group's name or initials. Would this group classify as a criminal street gang? In this hypothetical, if the police can show that this group intends to commit felonies and solicits others to commit felonies as well, identifies as a group, has witness statements identifying them as a specific group, have electronic correspondence of plans for unlawful acts, have photographs and even some tattoos that show membership, there are many indicia of street gang membership present. And remember, as I discussed in previous videos, the right to peaceably assemble is protected by the First Amendment and the Arizona Constitution, but there is no right to commit violence as part of a protest or demonstration. Violent protests and violent demonstrations are illegal, and protesters that refuse to disperse once violence occurs and a lawful order to leave is issued are breaking the law. If 2 or more people acting together use force or violence or make credible threats to use force or violence to disturb the peace, they are rioting, which is a felony. In other words, putting these concepts together, individuals who work together with an intent to disturb the peace through violence and to attack police officers and who have the signs that I discussed earlier that show they're part of an identifiable group may be classified as participating in a criminal street gang. And just so I'm not misunderstood, like the officers that I represent, I took an oath to uphold the Constitution. I support the First Amendment and the rights it protects. But groups of individuals that come together with the intent to commit felonies are not exercising any constitutional rights and can, and in my opinion, should be held accountable and be criminally charged when appropriate. If you have questions or comments about criminal street gangs, please feel free to leave them below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below and subscribe for more law enforcement lessons. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.